Hello everyone and welcome to this special program to see major stories and events of 2012. Year 2012 has come to an end. 2012 was special, sad and historic year for most Goans. Goa witnessed political parivartan in 2012 and BJP once again came to power in the state after 7 years. It was a year of doom for mining industry in Goa as all operations were shut down by state government after Shah Commission reported 35,000 crore scam in industry. This year also saw Sachin Tendulkar retiring from ODI format of cricket and demise of well-known Indians such as Bal Thackeray, Rajesh Khanna, sitar maestro Ravi Shankar and Goa's very own Mathani Saldana. Let's have a look at the events that shaped 2012. It was a sad year for locals of Kalvi in Aldona. A major bus tragedy between Carmona and Kalvi killed 6 people, including 4 school children. The accident happened near ferry jetty that connects Carmona and Kalvi. Due to this tragedy, carnival celebrations were called off in Goa.
The private bus by the name Ganesh was travelling from Aldona to Kalvi. Brakes of the bus failed, driver lost control and the bus went down into the river. The bus remained underwater for more than 2 hours. The bus was travelling with 7 passengers. Aid from police and fire services came nearly an hour afterwards.
I thought it is stopping now. Where? It is right inside. I just see it in front of my eyes.
Fast. Did the bus come very
It was not fast. It was at a steady speed, but it could not brake. That's all.
What about the driver? Did you see the driver?
Driver and conductor both popped out from there. I told them, Baba, you go inside and try to find out. I asked him, Baba, if you know to swim, you go inside. We asked the ferryboat people. The ferryboat came up till here, but not a single ferryboat person jumped from up.
I just came to help over here, but no one was there. आम्ही काढले एकला मुंचा को काढलो आम्ही.
Major rescue operations were called in, but it was too late. 6 had already died in this accident, including 4 schoolgirls. For many years, locals from Kalvi were demanding a bridge, but their demands were never met. Soon after elections, BJP government promised to build a bridge within 6 months. Parrikar-led government has laid the foundation stone for the new bridge, but government's scheduled promise of 6 months is over. Maybe people of Kalvi have to wait for some more time for bridge to complete.
2012 witnessed parivartan in Goa. 7-year-old rule of Congress was uprooted by BJP. Parrikar-led BJP won the state assembly election with thumping majority. BJP with 21 seats and MGP with 3 seats formed a new government. Congress was reduced to just single-digit figure of 9 seats out of 40.
This election witnessed some major infighting not only between Congress leaders but even within BJP. Congress was criticized for promoting family Raj in Goa as they had given most of the assembly tickets to family members of ruling congressmen. All parties did major campaigning for the elections. On 3rd March, record turnout was witnessed in Goa. Over 81% voters voted in the elections. 6 March elections were historic. In the assembly of 40 seats, 18 candidates were newcomers. Heavyweight leaders of Congress such as Churchill Alemao, Joachim Alemao, Dayanand Narvekar, Ravi Naik, Alex Sikvera were wiped out from the elections. In North Goa, many supported family Raj and 2 families of Ranes and Monserrat came to power. But in South Goa, people wiped out family Raj of Alemaus who had got 3 Congress tickets and 1 NCP ticket. On the other hand, Sharad Pawar's NCP was knocked down from 3 seats in 2007 to no seat in 2012.
येत्या 5 वर्षांत गोयचे खऱ्या अर्थान एक भांगराळे गोय सोन्याचे गोय आम्ही करूया ताज्या खातीर तुमचो आशीर्वाद सदांच आसतलो. एकूच विनंती आसा की म्हजे कडेन जादूची काडी ना, थोडोसो वेळ लागतलो.
Later this year, Manohar Parrikar was awarded Indian of the Year in Politics by CNN IBN News Channel for various initiatives that he took in Goa.
2012 was a sad year for Nis Goikars. BJP MLA and State Tourism Minister Mathani Saldana died on 20th March after receiving massive heart attack. Just few days before his death, Mathani was appointed as Goa's tourism minister. Mathani Saldana was a mass leader. He fought for the rights of Raponkars, fought against SEZs, etc. After Mathani's death, his wife Alina Saldana was given ticket by BJP for by-polls of Kortali. Alina won the elections unopposed as Congress and an independent candidate withdrew their nomination. Alina is now Goa's Forest and Environment Minister. For Neez Goykar, Mathani will always remain as a hero who fought for their rights.
He was looking forward for doing some greater jobs in the interest of the society, public. आमकां सगळ्यांकच खूब दुख्ख जाता.
मित्र गेलो, ताज्या नंतर मंत्री. म्हज्या हिशोबान गेले 10 वर्सां जो गेलोय तो अशा टायमार गेलो की म्हाका दिसता जे सगळे 10 वर्सांचे कश्ट आतां भरून काडपाचो वेळ आशिल्लो तेन्ना ज्याचेर ट्रस्ट करीत आसले, म्हणजे हांव गांवठी भाशेन सांगपाचें जाल्यार ज्याचे कडेन फॉरेस्ट आनी एनवायरमेंट दिवपाक कम्फर्टेबली येताले असो एक खात्रीचो मनीस कमी जालो.
Many more famous personalities also died in 2012. Some of them were Bollywood superstar Rajesh Khanna, sitar maestro Ravi Shankar, first man to land on moon Neil Armstrong, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra Vilas Rao Deshmukh, former Prime Minister of India I.K. Gujral, father of White Revolution in India V. Kurian. 2012 witnessed major loss for Mumbaikars and Marathi Manus. Founder of Shiv Sena Bal Thackeray died on November 17. Bal Thackeray had created a major mark of politics of Mumbai and Maharashtra.
Shiv Sena Supremo Balasaheb Thackeray died at his Matoshri residence in Mumbai. Shiv Sainik's fans and infinite number of Mumbaikars are mourning the death of their icon, Balasaheb Thackeray. Balasaheb Thackeray was known as Hindu Hriday Samrat. Thackeray started his career as a cartoonist for the Free Press Journal in Mumbai in 1960. Thereafter, he formed his political party Shiv Sena in 1966. Thackeray launched Daily Samna in 1989. Thackeray was 86 years old when he breathed his last.
2012 also witnessed major changes at Panchayat level. Panchayat elections were held on 16th May. Elections were held for 184 panchayats in Goa. Results were declared on 18th May. Most of the candidates who won the polls were newcomers.
BJP and MGP-led government has kept their stronghold on panchayats. Congress-supported panels have been formed in very few panchayats, whereas at some places, panels of independent panchayats have got elected. Shockingly, result has gone against Ranes in Sattari. Independent MLAs Naresh Sawal and Benjamin Silva, however, remain largely unsuccessful in getting their panchayat panels elected. But Alex Reginald has won over panchayats in Kutturi area even after being in opposition. The same was not the case with other Congress MLAs.
2012 was a doom year for Goa's mining industry. This year, Shah Commissions exposed 35,000 crore scam in state mining industry. This led Parrikar government to ban mining activities in Goa till all legalities are put in place. Supreme Court later ruled continuation of this ban. This ban led to massive economic and social unrest in Goa. Thousands of truck owners, barge owners are on street protesting this ban as they are under huge financial debt.
All mining activities including transportation and handling of ore has been banned in Goa. This has made a major impact on state's economy. State's revenue has substantially dropped. Many in mining industry have been rendered jobless.
निसर्गाचे मोगी दुश्मन न्हय, पर्यावरणाचे रक्षण आणि मायनिंग व्यवसाय हातान हात घालून चलपाक शकता आणि चलपाक जाय. गोंयकारांच्या हिताचे, मायनिंगाच्या लोकांच्या हिताचे एफिडेविट फायल केले वयतले जेणे करून सुप्रीम कोर्टाक हो न्याय दिवचोच पडटलो. सीईसीन जरी आमचे आयकून घेतले नासत जाल्यार सुप्रीम कोर्ट इतक्या तमाम लोकांचो जो 25,000 लोक आयज दंपाच्या कडार गोंय मुक्तीच्या ह्या आदल्या दिसा हांगा जेन्ना आमकां आझाद मैदानाचेर येवचे पडले हे कोणूच विसरचो ना. आयच्या ह्या ऐतिहासीक दिसा सुप्रीम कोर्टान आपलो निर्णय जो आसा हो तमाम आमचे बाजून दिवचो पडटलो.
Some mine owners, transporters are reportedly moving out of Goa as it is expected that mining will not continue in Goa for at least another 1 year. Central Empowered Committee that visited Goa also supported the ban on mining.